special thanks to QB2 and thanks for some viewers. If at any point you'd like to exit the theater, exit out to the doors on your left, and then customer will be there to assist you. As courtesy to our broadcast, we have there be no flash photography during our performance, and now on behalf of the millions and billions of bugs around the world, we proudly present It's Love to Be a Bug.
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Lick!
Over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. Yes. Perfect. Hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Shirley, I really hate when you do that. I really like that. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is the question of my favorite.
Paul! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming! Chili's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Listen up my ear! Hold still!
My God! In case you hadn't noticed, all right?
You nurse! Either no one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now, he's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the termite able. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is this going to be all right up there? Oh. I hope none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug. Target's ready. All right. Oh, just a second. Let her rip, Claire.
Hey! Stop here, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
She's gonna blow!
Who's gonna blow?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! Zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators!
We're pollinators! If you like vegetables, with flowers, you can put that
If it weren't for the fact that we like to taste, you'd be out there wallowing in sugar highways. Sugar highways.
And if all bugs were wiped off the face of the planet, there soon be no humans around here to panic. No nothing about us. You can't live without us. Here it comes to the
Huh, it's a piece of cake.
Hold me!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little Bella! Where should you be?
Here?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely.